So we're really excited about our 6th annual Safe and Together conference in San Antonio, Texas this year. We're really looking forward to bringing together professionals from all over the US and internationally to talk about their experience implementing the Safe and Together model. And so what you should expect from this conference is more information about how to hold perpetrators accountable to parents, how to intervene with them, and looking at how to respond to families with complex issues like mental health, substance and domestic violence, and to use that information to support the safety and well-being of adult survivors and kids. So as part of the US conference this year, like last year, we're offering the core training as a standalone option for people to attend and gain knowledge, experience, and familiarity with the model. And this core training is a skills-based experiential training that focuses on teaching domestic violence informed case assessment, interviewing, documentation, and case planning.